somebody just told me something absolutely amazing. I was mesmerized by this, and I thought, I'm going to show you this. Then as soon as I've shown you this, we're going to go straight into the quick lesson for the day. Listen, yesterday I was 50. I kid you not, right? 50. That's me, Patrick, yesterday in my house. Okay, right. So here's the deal. Somebody said to me, Patrick, do you know if you do the following things, right? What year is it today? And I said, what year is it? I said, I have absolutely no idea. Let me just do this. I said, what year is it? They said, it's 2019. I said, yes. So what? And he said, you were 50 in 2019. All right, you're 50 that year. And I said, yeah. He said, if you take your age, 50, and you take the following thing, the year you were born, 1960, sorry, that's the wrong way, 1969. And you add those two things, it will equal 2019, which it does. Just in case you're rubbish at maths. 50 plus 1969 is 2019. Do that with your age. I'm telling you right now, it freaked me out. Now, that's the end of that. There's going to be some music, and then I'm going to give you the great lesson for the day. See you later. Bye. Hi and welcome to this week's free video with me, Patrick Stockhausen, showing you the blueprint, part of the blueprint, not all of the blueprint, because it's only a short video here today. Right, so I've had multiple emails, and the email said, Patrick, and I said, yes. And they said, the stock market crashing, and I said, why? And they said, is gold going up? And I said, why? He said, I need to know so I can position myself. So I'm going to kind of look at that question, okay, for you. Okay, is the stock market going to crash? Am I going to buy a load of puts? And is gold going up? Now, do you know this is a real simple answer to this. What is it, Patrick? I have no idea. And guess what? No one does. And here's the better information that's going to help you. Guess what? The best traders in the world have no idea. Oh, hold on. Someone's trying to contact me. Right. No, the best traders in the world have absolutely no idea. And do you want to know why? They don't care about that. Guess what they do? They wait for their setup, and then they say, I'm going to take this. And they go, this trader's got this probability of working X percentage based on back testing. And when this criteria shows its face, I'm going to get in. And that's all they do. That's what the best traders in the world do. Guess what the worst traders in the world do? I'm going to try and predict what the market is going to do. What do you mean, Mike? So what's the difference? Well, one of them is working on probabilities. They say, statistically, when I take this trade, say 50 times out of 100, I know this trade makes 5 times my risk. And 50 times it will lose money. The worst traders, if I can predict what the market is about to do next, I will be consistently profitable. Massive difference. So then if they're not right, the traders that lose money go, there's something wrong with me. Can you see? And the ones that are based on the 50-50, let's imagine this. Think about this statistically. If you bet $1 and you make 50% of the time, and then you risk $1 and you lose $1 50 times, you are going to make, what's that? $200 in 100 trades. That's trading. But what most people are doing, what's screwing them up, is they're thinking, I should be able to know what the market's going to do next. I should be able to predict the next move. And then they don't do it. They go, what's wrong with me? I'm a loser. I can't read the markets. And no, what's wrong with them? You've been lied to. You've been tricked. You've been told a whole series of lies that is making you affect your psychology. You've been told a whole series of information. Let's call that stuff references. Those references are seeking in your mind and creating beliefs about how you think this game is played. As a result of that, those beliefs are determining what you are focusing on. What you are focused on is determining the decisions that you make. Those decisions are determining the actions. Those actions are creating those results. And if you don't correct those things from the very start, the references, right? The references, if you don't correct those, then you're going to get the financial destination, a destiny that you do not desire. So, What do professional traders do? They think in terms of probabilities. They don't care about winning and losing. The same as a casino, how a casino thinks. Amateurs, losing traders are concerned, obsessed with going, what's the market going to do now? Professionals, I don't care. Here's how it works statistically. The probabilities of my thing working is this over a series of trades, not one. So with that said, is the market going to crash? I have no idea. Is gold going to go up? I have no idea. Are a lot of traders most likely to go long gold when it breaks out of this? Let me just put this on a monthly chart. Yes. Yes, they are. A lot of traders probably will go long gold. Where's my line? When this does a break, all the breakout traders will get in when it breaks out over that. Is it going to work? You go back, you test this, you go, wait a minute, Patrick. When I saw this wasn't going to uptrend, how many times after a breakout did this actually work? This broke out, made a new high. There's the new high from there, point to there. Did it go up? It made a new high. Did it work? It pulled back. It made a new high on the monthly, went. It made a new high, went. Made a new high, went. Does that make sense? Breakout. The new breakout for that would have been that. Then we started to go sideways, a top, and then we had a stage 4, a sideways, and this is going to, look. I'm just going to say this little bit to you, okay? Gold came back. Oh, don't mess around now. Come on. Not when I'm doing a chat. Well, sorry. It doesn't want to do it for you. Well, basically, what happened is gold came back and touched it. I don't know why you're doing this to me now. I was just explaining something to these lovely people. Typical. Right. So, nobody knows. Nobody knows what it's going to do. Right? You've got to get that in your head. Nobody knows what the market is likely to do next. Right? What they do is they work on, the best traders work on probability. So, you go back and you say, if I do this 100 times, how many times is this move likely to work in my favor? If not, how many times is it likely to not go in my favor? And then, here's the best bit of information. Ready? The professionals are thinking, what if I risk this with my stop here? How many factors, let's imagine, is this going to go, they know this. Okay, oh man, if I tell you this, right, please use this. Okay, I'm going to tell you. Let's imagine my stop is $1. They know if this goes up $1, what the probability of that is over 100 trades. If it goes up $2, 2 times my risk, what the probability of that is. $3, $4, $5, $6. So they know the distribution of the size of the winners over 100 trades. So they can then play the game and say, 50% of the time this does not work, and 50% of the time this does work. But when it does work, I've got a X percentage chance of it going to 1 times my risk, X percent 2 times my risk, X percent times 3 times my risk, 4%, 5, 6. Does this make sense? They know the probabilities of the distribution of the wins. There you go. I have no idea why these charts have decided to stop working, but it was such good information. I thought, I'm not stopping this now because I'm not going to remember this later on. Till the next time, Patrick Stockhausen with these rubbish, crappy charts that aren't working. I bet you they come on as soon as I finish this seminar. I bet you they come on as soon as I finish. I can't believe that. Typical. I was just about to show you the bounce that the gold made when it pulled back off the weekly chart. You can see it touched the prior high, and now it's bouncing back up, and there's going to be a lot of traders getting the breakout. But I want that. Am I going to do that? Go and test it. Should I recommend you do that? Go and test it. Know your numbers. Then you are trading, not gambling. There is trading and there's gambling. But most people are educating you to gamble your money away. I want you to win the game. See you later. Take care. Bye.